Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to generate salaries within the system. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the side navigation panel and click on the HR menu. From the list of submenus, select Payroll, and then click on the Payroll submenu. This will open the Payroll dashboard, displaying the list of employees available for payroll processing. Next, select the employees whose salaries you want to generate by clicking on the checkbox located next to their names. You can select one employee or multiple employees, depending on your payroll requirements. Once the required employees are selected, click on the Generate Salary button located above the employee list. This will initiate the salary generation process. A prompt will appear asking you to select the payroll period. Choose the appropriate payroll period for which you want to generate salaries, and then click on the Submit button. The system will automatically calculate salaries by considering the employee's salary structure, paid days, leave data, and other applicable payroll rules configured in the system. After reviewing the payroll details, click on the Next button to proceed with salary generation. A confirmation alert will appear asking you to confirm your action. Click on OK to generate the salaries for the selected employees. Once confirmed, the system will successfully generate salaries for the selected payroll period. That's it. You now know how to generate salaries in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.